Sesslel, mein Name ist Sesslel. Ich bin der Knuckler und willkommen zu diesem Let's Play. Ja, es ist Tony Hawk's American Wasteland. Warum das Spiel? Ganz einfach. Das ist in meiner Kindheit. Bin immer noch Kind, ich war schon Horror. Habe ich sau oft gespielt und bloß 3-mal durchgespielt. Aber trotzdem saufähig gespielt und gepumpt, bis heute noch immer wieder. Aber gedacht, ja, kannst du genauso gut eigentlich jetzt spielen. Also starten wir natürlich nein. Auf normal, weil auf krank ist mir doch zu krank. Auf krank bin ich zurzeit am Versuchen, sonst habe ich mal auf leicht gespielt. Aber mal. Once upon a time, in the middle of friggin' nowhere. Habe ich das nicht gut gesagt, hä? Ich finde schon. So, wir dürfen jetzt einen Charakter auswählen und ohne dass es rassistisch sagt, ich nehme die Neger. Ich finde, der schaut einfach am geilsten aus mit seinem Afro und dann mit dem Bart, den mir dann noch verpassen wird. Ja, enough said.
I'm Kelly. Yes, I'm a hugger. I like to think of it as a full-body handshake. How hot is it that we're going to Los Angeles? Are you going out there to see friends and family?
No, to get away from it.
No skating here, punk.
Darby, what the hell are you doing with that job?
You're failing at school, you're failing in life. All you care about is that stupid skateboard.
I'm going to LA to be an actress. I've never acted before, but in high school, I was voted most likely to be great looking. My dream is to act in a reality show. Do you know if you can get Botox in your teeth?
Ja. Ich glaube, das war nur mehr unter drin. Über drin. Money.
Well, bye. Good luck with the skateboarding. As I say in acting, break a leg.
Hey, go back to Kentucky, farm boy. Locals only.
Let me guess. You're not from here.
You got a problem with that?
I look that obvious, huh?
Mindy. And yes, you do. Listen, if you want to blend in a little better, you gotta lose that look. Come here. I'll show you a few places you should check out.
Weißt du Bescheid, nicht? Also Mindy wird uns das ganze Spiel über begleiten. Das kann ich jetzt schon mal sagen.
Here's the deal. In Hollywood, there's a clothing surplus store, a skate shop, and a barber shop. Considering you look like a country bumpkin, you might want to check them out. We'll see after you fix that do and change those clothes.
Genau. Ab zum Friseur. Und wenn wir unsere Frisur nicht ändern, dann brauchen wir einfach irgendwas. Ich hole mir am liebsten einen Bart, nämlich den. Ich finde, der schaut am schönsten aus in Verbindung mit dem Afro. Also was ich da jetzt gesagt habe, war nichts Wichtiges. Hi. Da.
Welcome to the shop.
Hallo.
How can I help you this afternoon?
Du kannst mir nicht helfen, schau mir an.
I dig
Dann nehmen wir
that.
das Shirt, das mag ich.
Good
Jawohl.
choice. Anything else?
Dann Hosen, wenn wir am besten die Tracking Shorts. Ich finde, die schauen auch gut aus.
Good call. Need something else?
Na, das war's. Gut. Erledigt.
Oh, check you out. New clothes, new look. Very, I don't give a crap. I like it.
Great. Now where are those punks who stole my stuff?
If you don't know how to ride, you are not getting near those guys.
Whatever. I can skate as well as any of these LA kooks.
Sure. Let me guess. You came here to ride where it all began. Where all the legends got started, right? Alva, Mullen, Tony Hawk.
How do you know about those guys?
Look around you. These are all runaways who came out here for the same thing. Except they're good. If you want to survive out here, you better get some skills. Quick.
Who's gonna teach me? You?
No, but they might. I'll stay here and make sure no one steals any more of your stuff. Oh, wait. You don't have any more stuff.
Gedisst. Na, Fortschritt mir jetzt nicht sparen. Dann müssen wir gleich zu dem, weil das ist die erste Aufgabe.
Who's that cute chick I saw you talking to earlier?
Huh?
Oh, Mindy.
Yeah, she's cool.
I saw you trying to skate earlier. Your skills are kind of busted. I'll show you some moves if you introduce me to her.
Yeah? Like what?
The caveman. Switch to walk and get back on your board. Try it out a few times.
Genau. Erledigt. Cradle Slide, den mag ich
How's
doch.
that gonna help me?
You can use it to bust some sick lines. Here, check this out. Switch to walk and then grind again. Now you...
Und Grind.
So...
Tada!
All right. Follow me. Hey, Mindy. Like you to meet Ian. He ran away. What a wimp. Guess he's bashful around the ladies.
That's funny. Usually guys don't run away from me until after we've gone on a first date. Hey, listen, if you want to increase your skating stats, all the skate shops in LA offer sponsor challenges daily. If you complete them before midnight, your stats will increase. Each day there's a new challenge, and every shop has its own sponsors. I'm heading there now. Oh, if you don't know where the 118 board shop is, try using your compass. I'll see you there.
Genau. Caveman gelernt, jawohl. Dann müssen wir jetzt mit dir schnell reden.
There are skate shops all around Los Angeles that offer sponsored challenges. The fastest way to improve your skating abilities is to do as many challenges as possible. Each skate shop offers one challenge a day. Every night at midnight, they hang a new poster in the window offering a different challenge. For one thing, you can't enter the major skate competitions here unless you're sponsored. Like the Tony Hawk Am Jam coming up in a few days. You can't enter unless you complete a few sponsored challenges at the local skate shop. You show me you got the chops to do one, and I'll introduce you to more of the local skaters.
Machen wir Sponsoren-Challenge. Lande 2000 Punkte, okay. Erledigt. Und dann machen wir gleich noch die anderen am besten. Ja, dann müssen wir grinden. Das hat jetzt gleich, das hat jetzt fast sogar noch nach dem Beastie Boys so gehört. Komm schon. Oh, okay. So kann man es auch machen. Wo kann man nochmal länger grinden? Jawohl, ja. Läuft. Erledigt.
Man, that guy rips.
Oh, that's Dwayne. He was about to go pro, but he blew out his knee.
Yo, Mindy, what up? Who's the farm boy?
He's new in town, and he's looking to pick up some new moves. You think you can help him out?
I might. Can you do a kickflip?
Come on, man. Of course I can do a kickflip.
Cool, I'll teach you. But first, pull a gnarly kickflip over Ben Hoofleck. He's arriving for a premiere.
Wow, do you think he'll actually do it?
If he does, he's got guts. Hoofleck has some pretty burly bodyguards.
Das ist mir eigentlich relativ egal, weil der Kickflip ist erledigt. Siehste? Erledigt.
Alright, it's time to take your skating to the next level. I'm about to teach you how to manual. It's real easy. Watch me manual. Now you try it a few times.
1, 2, 3. Also nicht. Erledigt. Geht doch.
Now it's
Nix
time to
einfach
practice
Holz,
your
das.
manual balance. Manual from the star of Tony Hawk to the star of Tony Alva.
Ist natürlich ein easy Job. Erledigt.
Cool. Now meet me over by the dog and cello. I've got a friend who can show you how to revert.
Yay, Manuel. Jupp, ich will hier pennen. Jupp, nochmal schlafen, weil ich mich halt eigentlich jetzt schon langsam 9 Sponsoren-Challenges mache. Mann. Komm schon. Nochmal. Aber jetzt, dann haben wir genug geschlafen, da will ich spontan sagen.